What's the creepiest encounter you've had with a complete stranger? My husband and I stopped at a park with our then 7-year-old daughter. My husband went off on his own for a few minutes to look at some trees while I took my daughter over to the bank of the lake. Seemingly out of nowhere, this really creepy guy walked up and started addressing my daughter while ignoring me. He was going on about attracting the ducks and positioning himself to get in between us. I had my daughter by the hand and just interrupted the guy and pulled her away. The guy turned around and went right to his car and left immediately. My instincts strongly indicated that this man intended to abduct my daughter, and the chills from that experience still haunt me many years later.